In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your Shopify store URL, but it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end and follow along step by step to be able to make this work, just so you know. So the first step is going to be for you to go into Shopify and then log into your Shopify account, because then you should be taken to this page right here. Now on this page, then what you're going to do is to locate where it says online store. So click on online store. Just going to load, and perfect. As you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here. Now on this page, you're able to view what kind of theme that you have on your store right now. You need to locate this current theme, as you can see. Now what you're going to do is to click on customize right here, because then you should be taken to this page where you can actually customize your store, as you can see. But that is not the reason why we need to come to this page right here. A lot of people think that they need to come to this page right here, and they think that this one right here is their correct URL, which is not, just so you know, because actually you need to click on these three dots right here. So click on the three dots, then click on view, because what will happen then is that you will be taken to this page as your customers see it. So this is your correct URL, not the other one, this, as you can see. So this is basically exactly how to find your Shopify store URL.